We'll make our way down the path here a little way, and then we'll go up and across the dunes. Whether we'll see any pups or not, it's a bit early. There should be one or two seals come ashore now. They'll be shutting the beach off, I think, from tomorrow, so we'll have to see how we go. Well, we made it to the old pillbox, which is off the track and up the dunes there. So we'll be walking up this track here. There's the old pillbox. Look at that cloud. The weather can change quite quickly now. Well, I wouldn't particularly want to use this as shelter, but and you can probably imagine it's quite smelly in here as well. I think it's being used for all sorts. Right, we'll make our way back up the track there, see what we can see. We have the first of the colony of seals. It's really quite nice to see the seals playing in the surf, and let's hope people do try to keep away and off the beach while they're going to start pupping, especially dogs, because they can worry seals really bad. And I've come across seal pups in the dunes that have been abandoned by their mothers because they've either been worried by dogs or by people themselves. So do keep it in mind. Otherwise, enjoy the sight. It's always a nice sight to see each year. I would also like to make it clear that all the images that you see and videos are taken from the top of the dunes. So I have not gone down into the beach and will not be doing so. But as I say, taken from the dunes. And you probably need a reasonable camera lens to be able to get some close-up shots. Do try and resist from going down and disturbing them. As I say, all the images you see are taken from quite a distance up on the dunes. So just watch and enjoy. And later in the year, I'm sure the beach will be absolutely full of little pups, which will be a sight to see. Well, just been down to the start of the new colony this year, 2022. It's coming up to the end of October, and from tomorrow, I think it's tomorrow, Friday, might be Saturday, they will close the beach, which is a good thing. So it's a good thing that the friends of Horesy, all volunteers, do this, keep the seals safe. It's now getting to be, I think, one of the biggest colonies along the east coast now. The next biggest one that's been on the news is up near Hunstanton. And that's probably worth going and having a look, but apparently it's a longer walk, not so easy to get to. Here in the car park, you walk along the beach track this side of the dunes until you get to the pillbox, and then the track takes you up past the pillbox, and then you look down on the colony, and from there on, sort of going down the coast towards Winterton, they're all spread out. It's a good sight to see, but as I say, do take care. Don't take dogs unless you have to, and if you have to, keep them on a lead and keep them away so they're not in sight of the seals. But best not to take dogs at all. Okay, what's the time now? It's about 4:15. The rain started, which is why I've called it a day now. Anyway, it's always good to come down. Until next time, I hope you watch this all the way through, and I hope you click on the subscribe button. And for those that you don't know, the subscribe doesn't mean you subscribe as such, it just means you are kept notified of new videos coming up. There's a bell next to it. If you click on that, click on all, then again, you know, you get all the notifications. But it doesn't cost you anything, that's the thing. No cost involved. Just listen to me moaning on. Okay, till next time, bye for now. Thanks for watching, and could you please give us a thumbs up, that'd be good, and maybe subscribe as well, much appreciated, and hopefully we will see you next time. If you subscribe, you will get notification of when the next video comes out. So many thanks for that, and bye for now.